Hey everyone, it's Kelly here with She Learns Video, and today I am going to show you how to create Instagram Reels utilizing your photographs. So this is super helpful if you're a photographer or if you're someone in the creative industry and you have still images that you want to share utilizing this new tool that Instagram has, Instagram Reels. So how I have done it is I've been utilizing Canva, and I go in here and I click on social media. And then I click to the Instagram story option. And from here, you will see they have lots of different templates for creating stories. So different tools that you might want to utilize as far as different layouts and ways to get creative. The way I like to do it is to find something that has a lot of photograph availability, like space for you to drop images. This one is great, pretty minimal, and one that I like using. So you'll just click on whatever of these templates works best for you. And then you can go ahead and drop in your own images. So what I've done is I've uploaded photographs to Canva here, and these are the images I'm going to use. You can see I've done some other sessions in the past, but I just try to drop some of my favorite images into Canva, and then they're ready to create my reel. So we will pop these images in here, and you can kind of resize based on what fits best. I'm actually going to save that one for a different spot. Let's do this one here. Okay, so once you have images on your page, you can click animate, and this will give you some different options for how you want the images to display when the reel is playing back. These are all kind of whatever fits your brand and fits the style that you're going for. So we'll just choose this one. And then you can also choose the time that it will play when you export the video. So I have been doing 5 seconds for each little clip or each little screen. And then I will just go through and kind of duplicate these. You could also go back up to templates and perhaps change one of these pages around. Maybe if you want to do 3 images on one, and one on this last one, could do that. And with the copy, sometimes I will write in here, contact me to book your session, or any kind of call to action that I want to put. But for now, we'll just leave it plain, and you can utilize that however you see fit. And then I would just drop in the image that I want to use. And if I did want to, let's say, make that a little bit thinner and drag my image over a little bit, I could. So perfect. And then let's see here, we will drop in a couple other photographs and get them, just how you want them to look. Okay, and then you just need to go through and make sure each page has the animation set. So I think we've decided pan. This one, yep, is pan, and then we'll do the same thing for this one. Perfect. Okay, and the last couple of things here, you can see it's green and this beige color, and ideally these would be more of your brand colors. So here in Canva, I have my brand colors saved. If you don't, you can, use this tool here to create any color you want, but we'll drop in a few different brand colors to kind of keep it consistent and looking pretty. Okay, so now that I have my 3 pages and they are all set to 5 seconds, what my goal is for this is to make it a 15-second reel on Instagram. So once you have it all ready to go, you will go to, and you can see that total number here is 15 seconds. If you do want to add more images and make a 30-second reel, you could do that. And those are just nice tools to be able to kind of evaluate. If you wanted to do 4 slides, you would just make sure that the time here on each slide is set so that the total time equals the length of the full Instagram reel that you want to create. And from here, you can click download. And then I just download the MP4 video, and I choose all of the pages just as it says, and then I hit download. And once this is finished, it will be in my downloads, and then I will airdrop it over to my phone. So once I have it on my phone, then it's pretty easy to load to Instagram, and I will show you how I do that and how I get everything set up on Instagram, and we'll go from there. Okay, so now that you have airdropped or Dropboxed the reel video we created in Canva to your phone, you will go to your profile, and up in the top right-hand corner, you will see the plus sign. You'll click on that, and then you're going to want to select reel. And from here on the bottom left, you will see the option to go into your videos, and then you can select the reel that we created in Canva. So for us, that's going to be this video right here. And then you will see it play, and it is 15 seconds long. And then in the top right-hand corner, you'll select add. And from there, you can hit this edit button in the bottom right-hand corner. And then here you'll see the video again, and if you want to add any text, you can do that. Or if you want to add anything additional, you can do that as well here. You can also add in music on this previous screen. Right now, Instagram is mad at me, so it's not letting me add any music, but you should be able to do that depending on your account. And then you'll go to this bottom right-hand corner where it says Share To. And then from here, you're going to be able to write your caption and add any hashtags that you would like to. You'll also see this option for profile to show on your profile grid. I do encourage you to add it to your profile grid, which is just your normal Instagram feed, because it will get a lot more views that way. So you do have an option. If you click here on the show on profile grid, you can turn that off and on. But again, I encourage you to turn it on if it works for you. And then I always like to update my cover photo. So here next to the caption, you'll see cover, click that, and then you can scroll throughout your reel and decide if you want to select a still image from the reel to choose, or you can go down here to add from camera roll, hit the plus sign, and then I'm just going to select, I always favorite the images that I want to add, and I'll add the image of the little girl who is featured in this reel. So that way my profile looks consistent, my feed looks consistent, and everything looks its best when I am adding it to Instagram. So I hope that's helpful. If you have any questions, definitely let us know. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. If you liked this one, definitely subscribe, and you can always check us out over at shelearnsvideo.com for more information on creating videos and adding video to your photography business. Thank you.